I'm Michael Bolton in Beijing, China, and I just wanted to thank you so much for donating your time and creativity to the Michael Bolton charities. The video you produced for the charities perfectly captures the essence of our mission, and your gift will continue to raise awareness for the work we do and continue.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Bird's Nest Production for the work that they've done for All Hallows. They produced a video which truly captured the essence of All Hallows and its mission.
The work that Bird Nest Productions does really allows organizations that don't have the funding to get their message out into the world is critical.
When Avis Richards joined Earth Day Network's board about a year and a half ago, she didn't come alone. She came with Bird's Nest Productions. Not only has Avis created films for Earth Day Network that have made a major difference in our quest to improve the National School Lunch Campaign, but she also brought a wealth of information, and Bird's Nest Productions brought a wealth of experience in other social justice issues.
Your heart for the underprivileged, your dedication to speak up for children too young to have a voice, your perseverance in relieving the suffering of those fighting disease, these are the things that make you such a gift to the world, and you do it all with such elegance and grace. Thank you, Avis, for what you've done for my foundation.
So let me tell you why I love Avis and Bird's Nest Production. The day after Avis Richards found out about the New York Says Thank You Foundation and what our mission is to help rebuild communities around the United States every year on the 9/11 anniversary, Avis immediately fell in love with our organization. But more importantly, it was the very next day that she and her whole team from Bird's Nest Production showed up at our office to film our story so that we could share our story with even more people around the world.
Bird's Nest Productions came down to Atlanta to shoot a film about our foundation, Sophie's Voice Foundation. So people who otherwise wouldn't have the opportunity to get the attention that they need in order to get their voices heard, now through Bird's Nest Production have the opportunity to do so. And it's something that is of tremendous value, and we'll never forget that.